Alright, so I'm taking the front wire harness plug out. So there's one bolt here on the outside on the firewall side. I've already loosened it, so it's kind of loose now. So I'm just going to pull the rest of it off. Alright, so got it all the way off. It wasn't that difficult, came right out. I'm unplugged. So, let's see the light. Let's get the bolt stays in there, looks like. So I'll keep it in there. So we got a little bit of corrosion on the inside. So good thing I will be replacing the entire wire harness. See there,